Sindhu Night Market in Sanur is really famous. So, let's have a look. I've seen some vlogs, but they've been really quick. Walk around the outside and look at every food stall. Warung jembor, nasi goreng, mie goreng, lalapan tahu tempe, menu kami, nasi bakar, ayam geprek, mashed chicken. That sounds interesting, mashed chicken. How's the food, folks? Is it good? Food's good? Bakso, which is a soup. But this one seems to be doing a little bit better. Warung Bali. This is Balinese food. It all just sort of sits out and you can sort of pick and choose. It's just going to do a little dish here. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. The guy's saying, alright, yeah, I'll have some of that. So that's fried thingamawhatsits, and this is fried thingamajigs. A little bit of fried whatchamacallit. And you chuck in a little bit of anjing. I won't tell you what that is. A little bit of chicken, which that chicken is beautiful, by the way.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you? Looks really good.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Please have a look.
Yeah. And then he's asking for like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So you end up with sort of exactly what you want. And these flavors are amazing. Bali food, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, really good.
Where are you from?
Dari Ibu.
Dari Ibu. Indonesia.
Dari Ibu.
Dari Ibu.
Yeah, dari Ibu saya.
No, I'm in your. Oh my God. I'm in your country.
I'm from somewhere. They're always like, where are you from? So I say I'm from my mother. This is behind the scenes. So we'll go around the front of this one. Looks good. Mungkin Madura soto ayam Madura. So chicken soup. Here's the chicken. Chicken looks really good. Permisi ya. Over here is bakso, so more soup. Plenty of people enjoying the food, particularly locals, but also tourists. Warung es Purnama. Looks like buah-buahan, which is fruit. Oh yeah, they've got fruit juices. Jackfruit, is that one? It's on there. Durian. With the bintang. Makes a good coupling. Udur ayam soto ceker, which means I don't know. Well, it's chicken. Ayam is chicken. Oh, here's some tourists. So that's sort of back to the start, and then we'll walk around to the next lane. Lots of locals. The size of this place, I don't know, it's like small. Not medium, not large, it's small. And I sort of thought it was, because the vlogs that I've seen didn't really amount to much. Hello, how are you? What do you have? Gado-gado. Oh, bagus. Enak sekali ya. Gado-gado is Gado. I've forgotten what gado is. Peanut sauce over vegetable. And then so just attached to this is some market stall clothing stuff, which looks funky. Plenty of thongs, or jandals for the Kiwis, or some other word for other people. I think this lady thinks it's hot. You think it's too hot? Panas? Panas malam ini? Oh, okay. Actually, the weather's beautiful at the moment. Hello, how are you?
Hey, good. How are you?
I like this one. Selamat malam. This is absolutely chock-a-block full of clothing. Semua murah ya? Yeah. Makasih. Makasih. She said it's all very cheap. You what?
Very nice for offering.
Oh, you make an offering?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to show me how?
This one, like this
So
one.
you just make the outside?
Yeah, you can do like this one.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yes. Hey!
You sleeping?
Oh.
I just tried on this and it's not good luck. Is it bad luck for me?
No problem. It's okay. It's already finished.
Bad luck for you?
Good luck.
Okay. Maaf ya.
Ya, tak apa-apa. Bisa bahasa Indonesia?
Saya coba. Belum pandai.
Assalamualaikum.
She said, can you speak Indonesian? And I said, I try. I'm still learning. Hello, how are you?
Pasarnya sepi, very quiet, that market sepi.
Quiet?
Yes.
What do you do, Mama?
Same.
You got to really dig in these places, and you ladies would be good at that sort of thing. I mean, you probably look at this rack and find heaps of amazing stuff. Oh, beautiful. They have the traditional ceremony clothing, which would be nice to get yourself into, wouldn't it? And they have the traditional jaggy belts that are not so nice to get yourself into. Hello, how are you? What's yourself? Sarong, shirt? Yeah. Nice sarong. Yeah, very nice. Thank you.
Like one?
No.
How are you?
Good, how are you? It's quiet this corner. Where are all your customers? I'll go and get them for you. I bring.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Looks like a good place to buy for the locals, which is good. Hello, how are you? What are you doing? Oh, you make a picture?
Yeah.
Ah, bagus. Okay. Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
They're drawing pictures and having a giggle. That's it. I mean, that's the whole market. This bit in the middle was obviously, you know, your bargain prices, I guess. Look at all this laid out on the floor, and get your super deals. It's good to see that locals are shopping here. That means like they're going to get, but they sell really good quality, cheap stuff. But also, you're not going to get that price ever as a tourist. There's no way in the world. Kids' toys. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I want this toy. No, I don't want that stupid car. I want this big guy here. Or one of those ones. Come on, Mum, get it together. Yeah, that's it. We had a look around. As I said, this place is really super famous. Sindhu Night Market. Not much to it really, and that's what I sort of suspected. But it's just on the corner of this street and the other one, so you know exactly where it is. If you want to come here and enjoy some of that food, good luck.